students, in previous class we have discussed about the topic ratio of chapter 4, ratio, proportion and unity method. Today I am going to start new topic, proportion of this chapter. Firstly, let's quickly recap what will you done in previous class. In previous class, one of the important topic explained by me, ratio. What is ratio? Comparing two quantity by division is known as ratio. Suppose Ram has 15 marbles and Shyam has 10 marbles. So 15 by 10 is form of fractional number and it is converted into simplest form, that is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is equal to 3:2. That means it is in the form of ratio. So suppose 3:2, a first term, a second term, and this is denoted as ratio. So now let us move towards the topic, proportion. They said the statement of equality of ratio is called proportion, such as 6:10, read as 6:10, and this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, and this is fourth term, and read as 6:10 as 48:80. This sign denoted to proportion, and this sign is denoted to ratio. So here 6:10 as 48:80, a first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and middle two terms, that is 10 and 48, such as second term and third term is known as mean, and first term and fourth term is known as extremes. So we read as 6:10 as 48:80. So we say that if four numbers quantity are in proportion, then the product of extreme is equal to the product of means, so that product of extreme is equal to product of means. Yes, and this is a very important for this chapter. So product of means, that means 10 into 48. 10 into 48, that means 480, and 6 into 80, 480. Both are same. So product of means equal to product of extreme. So product of extreme is equal to product of means. Now I am going to start worksheet 2. So let us move towards the topic. Dear friends, your first question is, are the following numbers are in proportion 9, 12, 18 and 24. This is first term, second term, third term and fourth term. We know that product of means, that means here product of means, that is 12 into 18 equal to 12 8 96. 12, 9, 21, and product of extreme, that is 9 and 24, is equal to 9 4 are 36, 9 2 are 18, or 3 21. So product of means is equal to product of extreme. So we say that 9, 12, 18 and 24. So 9, 12, 18 and 24 are in proportional, are in proportion. And this problem solved in other method. Let us do it another way, another method. Ratio of nine is to 12. That means 9 by 12. 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 3 by 4 equal to 3 to 4. And ratio of 18 and 24, 18 by 24, that means 6 3 are 18 or 6 4 are. So therefore ratio of 9 is to 12, here 9 and 12 is 3 by 3 is to 4, and ratio of 18 and 24 3 is to 4. Both are same. Both are same. So we say that. So we say that 9, 12, 18 and 24 are in proportion. Dear friends, this problem solved in two ways. First, product of means is equal to product of extreme. You get both are same. So we say that product of means equal to product of extreme. So 9, 12, 18 and 24 are proportional. And another method, ratio of first two terms 9 and 12 3 is to 4, and ratio of last two terms also 3 is to 4. So both are same. So you say that 9, 12, 18 and 24 are in proportional. Next question is, question 2 is, fill in the boxes so that the four numbers are in proportion. Given 32, box 6 and 12. So first we find product of means, product of extreme, 32 into 12, 384. We know that product of means equal to product of extreme. So for 32, box 6 and 12 to be proportion, we should have product of means is equal to product of extreme. So box into 6 equal to 32 into 12. So the number needed equal to 32 into 12 by 6. 6 2 ja and 62 2 ja 64. So 32, 64, 6 and 12 are in proportion. Dear students, given that four numbers, one is box blank, so 30 to product of, we know that product of extreme equal to product of means, so first you find product of extreme, you get 384. So product of means equal to product of extreme, so product of means equal to product of extreme. So number needed equal to 32 into 12 by 6, that is 64. So we show that 32, 64, 6 and 12 are in the proportion. And the next question is, dear friends, next question, third, are the following is continued proportion? 27, 36 and 42. Dear friend, we know that if second term and third term are repeated, then we say that the given numbers are continue proportional. Here product of means equal to 36 into 36, 1296, and product of extreme equal to 27 into 42, 27 to the 54 and 27 for the 108 and 5, 1, 30, 42 into 'We say that product of means equal to 1296 and product of extreme equal to 1134. Both are not same. So we say that the given numbers are not in continued proportion. So if both are same, then given numbers are continued proportion. So dear students, rest question solve itself, and today's class is over, and your homework is do worksheet 2 of chapter 4. Thanks, have a nice day.